Welcome everyone, the Pixel 8 Pro has a thermometer. It's here, and the first step to use it is from the home screen. I want you to swipe up and then scroll down until you see the Thermometer app, and we're going to tap to open. Only 8 Pro has this, not regular 8. Now we're going to tap on object temperature. In the future, you'll be able to check if you have an illness like a temperature, but we'll tap on object for now. You can see here the measurement, so degrees Celsius. If you tap this, you can go to Fahrenheit. And so just place an object behind the sensor. It needs to be very close, like only this far max. Any further and it won't get you an accurate reading. So if we go like this, I tap to measure, you can see it'll give you a measurement. You can see it kind of changes every time. So the actual measurement is accurate within a degree, but this decimal point will constantly change. So it's not like you're going to get the exact temperature reading, but it is accurate within a degree. If I move my hand out the way, you can see the temperature changes. So this would be useful if you just wanted to get the temperature of the room. So let's see the temperature of the room. 21. That's actually quite nice. Very useful feature to actually know the temperature of the room. And you can use your skin. And if you tap on default here, for certain materials, you will need to tap the material to get a more accurate reading. The default does work on your skin, but there is a human temperature sensor which is coming in a software update, because technically the sensor needs regulatory approval for it to be used on the skin, which has not been done yet. But this, getting the average, or like the general idea of how hot or cold a room is, that's pretty cool. And checking the frying pan, etc., that's cool as well. With that being said, if you would like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.